So Diwali is in 2 days and we all are in festival mood. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Find Inspiration. Today I am sharing some last minute DIY Diwali lights ideas. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Before that, I want to request you, if you are new to my channel or if you have not yet subscribed my channel, do consider subscribing. And want to thank you all for your support and motivation. Let's start our first DIY. For this, I have taken this pickle jar and a jute rope. By placing the jute thread around the neck of the jar, I am cutting the desired length of the jute rope. Again, I am cutting 4 strands of jute rope, measuring in this way. Now I am sticking the jute rope using the sticking tape, and I am making a loop and I will tie it to the jute rope. You have to tie all the 4 strands of jute rope so that you will get 8 strands. Now tie the rope around the neck of the jar. We have to take single strands from each knot and will tie it in the middle. You have to repeat the procedure all around the bottle. Once you finish with the first layer, so we will start with the second layer. Again you have to take 2 strands from each knot and have to tie it. So you have to do it till the end of the jar. Once you complete making the knots, so you have to tie the thread in the bottom of the jar. Here once again I am taking a little bit thick jute rope and I am taking 2 ropes. So I will tie the ends of one rope to the other, so in this way. This will help us to hang our jar. So you will tie the jute rope once again around the neck of the jar. And this is how it's going to look. And in the bottom I am going to open the jute thread to make a form of tassel. And we will cut the ends. Our hanging light is ready. For this DIY, you can take any glass jar which is available in your kitchen. Now let's move to our second DIY. For this DIY, I am taking a broken glass and I am going to fix it with Fevikwik. You have to be careful while using Fevikwik glue and even with the broken glass. So here I have fixed my broken glass. So now I am going to take a Fevicryl mold it so that I will cover the sharp edges of the glass. This is how the glass looks once it is fixed. So here I am taking glitter 3D outliner. So here I am making lines randomly so that I can cover the broken lines of the glass. So now I will keep it for drying. So once it is dried, I am taking glass colors and I am going to fill the gaps with different colors. Now it is completed and I kept it for drying, and I am using once again the 3D outliner to make lines above the glass. Take some Fevicol glue or any white glue and apply it to the bottom of the glass, and I am going to spread it all over, and I am going to sprinkle some golden color glitters. Just dab the excess glitter from the glass. So once it is dried, once again apply white glue to secure your glitter. Now our candlelight holder is ready. You cannot make that this is a broken glass. It is not necessary that you have to take a broken glass itself. You can take any waste glasses which is in not use from your kitchen. Now we will start our third DIY. Here I am taking old diyas which I have painted last year. So it was looking dull, so I want to repaint it. Here I have taken gold metallic color to give the border. Here I am taking this kind of pearls which is available in any stationery shop, and I am going to stick it to the diyas. So isn't it looks pretty? And this is how we can use our old diyas, which we can transform and use it for Diwali. Now we will move to our last DIY, which is very easy to do. For this you need some candle lights and different color washi tapes. These washi tapes are available in any stationery. You have to just stick the washi tape around the tea light candles. This is how we can use the tea light candles. I hope you people enjoyed this last minute DIY video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you are going to try any one of these DIY, you can tag me on my Instagram. Link will be provided in the description box. So friends, see you soon in my next videos. Until then, you can watch my other videos. Thank you for watching and happy Deepavali to all in advance.